Hello, and welcome to APWA's PWX mobile app how-to video series. Today, we will be covering how to download the PWX mobile app, log in, and update your profile. To begin, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play and search Attendee Hub. This is a different app from previous years, so please be sure to delete the old APWA Events app. Once downloaded, open the app and search for PWX. Click the 2018 PWX link to load the conference and make sure to enable notifications if prompted. Next, it's time to log in. Logging in gives you full access to all of the enhanced and extended app features while you're here in Kansas City. In the top left-hand corner, open the menu. Click on the Login for More Features prompt at the top of the page. After entering your first and last name, an email will be sent to your email address with a 4-digit verification code. Enter this code in the app to continue. Now that you're logged in, it's important to update your profile. To do this, press the gear button in the menu and click Edit Profile. The first thing you'll want to do is uncheck the Set Profile to Private box. This will allow other event attendees to find you in the app directory, add you to meetings, communicate with you via the in-app messaging tool, and share content with you. Next, you have the option to upload a photo of yourself, provide your contact information, and connect your social media accounts. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a quick rundown of how to download, log in, and edit your profile on the Attendee Hub app for APWA's 2018 conference. We look forward to seeing you in Kansas City.